charts. Pie charts is a way of representing information. I don't want to explain so much. Tumefanya for quite some time. When you see the word buy, hiyo ni buy. Sio kama mwaijua kwamba buy. Buy hiyo ni kitu inaenda na circle. Ndio. What is the area of a circle? By R square. So this is a way of representing information, data given from a table, and you're told to draw that information using a what? A circle. Don't forget that a circle are angles at a point. Angles at a point add up to 360. The favorite of our NEC examiners, the favorite questions all the years is sometimes a graph can be drawn, or sometimes you may be a question can come without a graph, and you are told to work out the angle that will represent a given what. Nani wanaguza hapo hiki? Acha kutingiza meza. So a graph can be drawn, or sometimes a question can come and then you are told to do what? For example, pupils scored the following marks in a test. Kuna mtu anatingiza hii nini? What's happening? Ama ni mimi? Yes. Listen to this. Pupils scored the following marks in a test. Mathematics 80%, English 84%, Kiswahili 90%, Science 78%, Social Studies and Adult Education 68%. The marks were represented on a pie chart. What angle represented the Kiswahili score? Maths nimeambiwa ngapi? Maths nimesema 80%. Na hiyo ingine imekuwa 84%. Na hiyo ingine imekuwa 90%. Maths hiyo ni English. Alafu ni Kiswahili, hii ni Kiswahili. Na science is scored 78%. Alafu social studies SSTRA 68%. And this one was drawn on a pie chart. What angle would represent what? What angle would represent Kiswahili score? In the question ilikuja the last exam. So what do you do here? What do you do? Hapo nataka nifanye nini? Hapo unataka ufanye nini? Hapo unataka ufanye nini? Unataka ufanye nini hapo? Umepiga umepata? Umepata aje? What do you do? The steps are? We know angles at a point at 360 degrees. Kwa hivyo all the total marks, how many subjects are these? 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you're supposed to, the maximum score you're supposed to get is in 100%. Kwa hivyo 60 degrees will be represented by not 100. 100 namna gani? Si itakuwa 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. Simple. You cannot say 100 is equal to that. So the total marks is what? 500? 500. So 500 is it? Total marks would be equal to 360 degrees. Simple. Yeah. So if you want to know the marks that will be represented by Kiswahili will be what? 90 over mimi nimepita. Ni hivyo. Si 90 over 500 times 360. Work out inakuleta ngapi? Hivyo ndio mlifanya? Yes. 90 over 500 divided by 360 degrees. Ndio? Yes. 360 degrees. Hiyo inakuleta ngapi? Inaleta ite? Hakuna point. Kweli? Are you sure? I read the point. The concept of how much more. How much more? You did the last thing that I should remind people here today. Look at this graph here. Remember, in the question year 2021, in the question year 2017 KCP. In 2021, in 2017. The question reads, look at the pie chart. The budget below shows how Atieno spent her salary. She's paid education 160 degrees. What she needs is represented by 160 degrees. What is spent for Atieno spent for 130 for food was represented 130 degrees. So the question is, how much more did she spend on education than on transport? On education, how much more did he spend on education than transport? Yes. So what do? You add this, subtract 360 to get the angle that represents transport. Ambayo ni ngapi? 70. Imeleta? 70. Hii ni 70. 360 degrees subtract total ya hii ni 290. That will be 0, 16, 17 degrees, ndio? 70 degrees, ndio? Unawajua kuna watu wengine wanaenda kupoteza muda. Sasa umepata hapa 70, you have got 70 degrees hapa. Umepata 70 degrees in transport, Umepata 70 degrees. Unaanza tena kusema haya wamesema waje nimalize swali. If our salary was 18,000, total salary was 18,000. Ara unaulizwa how much more did she spend on education than transport? Wacha kwanza kusema lazima upige education itakuletea pesa ngapi? Tena upige transport itakuletea pesa ngapi? Ado give 360. If 360 degrees is represented by this, the total earning, si ndio? Wacha kupiga hizi kando na kupiga, just subtract the number of subtract the 2 degrees. Ile ya juu na ile ya chini. So this is 160 degrees subtract 70. That is the difference in degrees. Then kuja jiuliza hapa hivi 18,000 is equal to that. What about ukisubtract dina kuleta 90. What about 90 degrees? Then you cross multiply. That will give you 18,000 times 90 degrees divided by 360 degrees, ndio? Hii inakuja hapa inakuja hapa mara 4. Ama 18 mara moja hapa. 18 wezi divide kuja chini hapa. 4,500. 4,000? Divide hapa vizuri. Una watu wengine hata kusimplify hiyo inakuwa shida. We are talking about 18,000. 18,000 we are multiplying it by 90 degrees. We are dividing it by 360 degrees. Sindio? Degree na degree naenda, sindio? Hii mara moja. Hapa inakuja? Itakuja 4. 40. Inakuja 4, sindio? Haya. Hii siwezi enda yote. Kwa 180. Hii inaenda hapa mara 4 inabaki ngapi? 20. Sindio? 5. So 1 2. Sindio? That is 4,500. Shillings 4,500. Unapiga hivyo direct. Unapiga hiyo direct. Hakuna kitu tena kingine. Labda a table can be brought and then you are told, oh, from that table a pie chart was drawn to represent the information on the above. Si kweli? Labda umepewa kaango kamoja. Labda umepewa kasehemu kanini kwa table hujanini, and things becomes easy as that. So don't miss a question on pie charts, please. I reminded you on some of those things there.